Generators like this one can come in handy if you experience a power outage after a storm. But did you know that improper use of a generator can possibly endanger linemen out in the field working to restore power? This illustration shows you how electricity comes into your home via an above-ground or underground transformer. A transformer helps to lower the voltage coming into your home. The voltage goes through your main breaker panel and then gets distributed to smaller circuit breakers, which then supply power throughout your home. Power flows into your home in one direction continuously. However, during an outage, if a generator is connected to a home's electric wiring, such as plugging it into a dryer outlet, the flow of power is reversed. Electricity produced from the generator can create what is known as backfeed. The power created by the generator is not isolated to just your home. It travels or backfeeds through your circuit breaker, through your home's main breaker panel, through your meter, up the service lines, through the transformer attached to a pole, and produces voltage at the top of the transformer. Where earlier the transformer lowered voltage going into your home, the generator has just reversed this process. Your lower household voltage has now ramped up to thousands of volts and can energize power lines for many miles. Our linemen working on and repairing downed or damaged lines to restore your power or power in another neighborhood can be severely injured when they are unknowingly exposed to this high voltage. Please, for your safety and the safety of our linemen, use your generator properly. Never attach a portable generator directly to the wiring in your home. Plug your appliances or other electrical devices directly to the outlets on the generator. And always operate your generator outdoors at a safe distance away from your home and anything flammable. In addition to backfeed issues from generators, homes with solar panels can cause problems as well. In the event of an outage, residential solar panels connected to our grid need to be turned off to prevent backfeed. Our linemen can safely do this procedure for you before they continue restoring power. So the next time you need to use a generator during a power outage, please make sure you are using it correctly. And if you see our linemen in your neighborhood getting ready to restore power, please alert them to your generator. They'll be happy to take a look to see if it's connected properly.